I kind of had a lot of makeup on earlier. What? Yep. As I was saying, excuse me, I'm drinking some soda, Coca-Cola, we had a lot of makeup earlier on. I was taking pictures for my friend, just regular pictures of my face, yeah, like, took it all off, so this is what I look like right now. So, Cameron's further away from me, and we're outside, so I'm not holding him or anything. I don't hold him when I smoke, but, gonna have a little bit of a cigarette. He's over here watching the shows. We're out in the open, you know, in a patio and outside. You know, I don't blow smoke in his face or anything like that, so I actually blow it the opposite way away from him. But excuse me. One thing good about drinking soda is that you burp a lot. You drink one of these. I got 4 of these today. So, these ones actually are not as strong, but they still pretty much have the same thing. I don't really know which much of the difference is between these, but excuse me, the other kind. But this is a berry, and this one actually tastes really sweet. It's like, these are like not as sour tasting as the other kind, if that makes sense. Excuse me. But yeah. So good. That'll wake me up a little bit. I gotta take my depression medication soon. Probably gonna take that at 12 o'clock. But can't wait till the 29th at midnight, because I'm getting paid. I gotta renew my medical insurance. Oh, sorry, I gotta renew my phone bill, but I probably will have to wait till like further into the month. That way it lands on a certain time, because I don't think it goes on until like the 30th or something like that. So just kind of make sure that I have enough money. I don't blow too much, all my money before I can get my phone. But yeah, so, but maybe I can actually talk to them, tell them that I want to get more service, but I don't know. All I know is I want it to land on the 1st of every month. And then I need to do my monthly plan for Netflix. Which is only like $7 something a month, so it's not too bad. So I think I might start playing IMVU again. I think that would be kind of fun to do. I haven't played it for a little while. So, no, I wish I had a laptop or something. I'm wanting to get a laptop. It's like $100 at this place near my house called Discount Electronics. It's only like $100 for a nice laptop, but yeah. I don't know. I really like this phone though. This phone's really cool. It has a pause button, but it also has where you can take pictures where like the flash is in the front and the back. So like there's like a little thing that you press and it makes it so there's a flash while it's facing towards you. So I really like that. It takes really nice pictures and videos. I don't know if you guys think the video quality is good or not. I mean, I've used like different devices with my YouTube, but like I think this one's pretty nice and like has a lot of room too, which I'm not going to be using my mini phone. I'm probably going to use it as backup, you know, kind of thing. If we need one for Cameron for YouTube or whatever he wants to go on there for, because you can like type out everything and all that, so I don't like using it, but it's nice for pictures and other stuff, but we don't really use it anymore. But I want to get the chip out of it and put it in my phone so that I can have even more room on my phone. So that might be something that I'm going to do. Either that or I'm thinking about maybe getting the bigger chip, because this one can actually carry a bigger chip than the one that I have. We'll see. But I don't know. I'm really liking Cameron's tablet, but he don't like it anymore because I guess it's got to keep pressing something on it to get it to do what you want to do, so he doesn't like that about it. And it doesn't work in the shed, and it doesn't work in the front. It only works out back or in the house, because like our Wi-Fi sucks sometimes. But yeah, so but I'm probably gonna work on Cameron's channel a little bit tonight too. I know we like to do videos on there, but I don't know. Sometimes we take a couple days break on his channel, because sometimes I get so busy on mine, working on my stuff, so I don't know.